Stilfontein. There's still illegal miners underground there. We do also know that a camera's actually been sent to try and find out exactly how many people are there and whether they are battling to get up on their own. Newzroom Afrika's Rafil Saboko joining us now with more on this. Rafil, good afternoon. We know how difficult this situation is. What new developments are there?
Indeed, a very difficult situation here, complex even to some extent, Stephen. But I think what is now, getting a reaction is that ruling that happened on Monday with the High Court dismissing the application that was made by the Society for the Protection of our Constitution that we're bidding or make an application that those that are underground, they should be provided with some humanitarian aid. But let's speak to, even on the ground here, in Shaft 11, we are seeing some teams from the legal side. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, you said. Yes. Thank you so much and welcome to Newzroom Afrika. Talk to us about what brings you here today.
Okay, so we were instructed by the Society for the Protection of our Constitution to actually come through and see what's going on here. We understand that a lot of people are being arrested and there's a label of these people who are underground being illegal miners. It's impossible for someone to be labeled as illegal until they are tried. Every person has a constitutional right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. Many of these people, we don't know, are they here to bring food? Are they here to mine? Are they here to assist someone else? We don't know. We were told by community members this morning that the last time that there was any reaction or aid to these people was almost more than a week ago. The situation is devastating. People's lives are at risk, and that risk is a continuous risk and runs.
And seeing that, the court ruling dismissing that application, the first application that was made by the Society for the Protection of our Constitution, is there an intention on your side to challenge that ruling?
At this stage, we are still taking instructions in that regard. We have received instructions to actually approach the International Criminal Court to seek relief, and that's what I can comment at this stage.
But how confident are you that as you are going to, approach the criminal court, you'll have a strong case?
We'll leave that for the court to adjudicate. Yes.
And what do you make of the situation based on, you had an engagement with the police here, the message that you are getting from the community members or the community leaders that we are even seeing here today?
Well, in comparison to what the community has told us, and we were asked to actually approach the police, we went to the police to ask, are there any further developments? We were told simply, look, I can't talk to you. There's a certain he that I was told, I don't have that number. We were told that people are in meetings and or presentations, and they simply can't talk at this stage. We were told, wait, maybe if you're lucky, you'll see someone. If you're not, continue waiting. So the response from the police is a zero. Whereas what the community are telling us in as far as how long these people are under and the situation in relation to their strength is really something that needs relief.
Thank you so much for your time. Let's leave it there for now, Stephen. These are the legal team members from the Society of the Protection of our Constitution. They have just had that engagement with some community leaders together with the police, but they are saying that the police are not sharing any information at this particular time. You'll know that throughout the briefing, the police has indicated that this is a sensitive matter and therefore they will not reveal much of their operational issues.
Rafil Saboko for that update. Thank you very much indeed. So much more still to come.